What's up? It's Dumpster Marcus. We are going to a clean out, so let's see what we're getting. We got another message from Nextdoor. So if you don't have the Nextdoor app, download it because this is like my 6th person that contacted me on that website since I created the thing, and I actually got a job, not just people asking me questions.
Good luck with all that.
Thank you. Have a great weekend.
Yeah, you too.
All right, got there at 7:30. I was leaving at 7:45. But I wish all jobs were that. I literally parked a foot away from the garage door, dragged everything in there. I got a dryer, a little bit of metal, and we're done. Got $250. And so let's go to the dump and see how much dump fees are. There's a couch, love seat, all these rugs, this little rug, these little doors, 2 vacuum cleaners, have to cut the cords. This dryer, have to cut the cord and take out for scrap. And then all this scrap. Some stuff is aluminum, but not bad. I only filmed for a couple seconds because she was out there with me the whole time. I was only there for 15 minutes, so. So let's get the scrap metal out of here. I have a couple things of garbage that I want to throw away in my house, and we'll get to the dump. All right, I weighed 1,500 pounds. It was $96.56 I had to pay. So 250 minus 96.56 is $153.44 profit. And I had to drive 61.8 miles. So not a bad job. So let's go home and do some scrapping real quick. I take their trash now and I get all the AC stuff. AC friends. Steven, you watch my videos sometimes. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for you and John being such awesome and amazing people. I'm truly grateful for you guys being my friends. You're like family to me, and I really appreciate it. So yeah, I'm picking this AC up. I got the inside unit and the big outside unit, and now I have to go pick up a snowblower. So let's go get that, and I have more pickups this week too. Oh, and that guy came out, he's like, do you just work for them or do you own your own business? I see your truck. I'm like, oh yeah, I own my own business. So I gave him my card, and he said he's gonna be calling me with some trash he wants to get rid of, and more metal, he said, probably. All right, I'm home. I didn't film it, but I got a snowblower, grass cutter, hot water heater, and 2 aluminum chairs. I forgot to bring my camera, but another inside unit, a medium-sized air conditioner, all the parts, and I had to pick up the trash. We are going to go cut up a hot tub. I just got a job to go get a hot tub. You usually got to cut them in 4 pieces for you're able to carry them because they're heavy. So let's go get this cut up and to the dump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 person hot tub. It's a big one. And you know it's raining out. all done. All right, just left. He gave me $250 when I asked for $225. It took me an hour and 15 minutes. It would have took a little less time, but you seen I had to go down a hill, underneath the deck, through like a little doorway section. So it was a pain getting everything out from there, but very easy. Trailer's filled up. Let's go to the dump, see how much profit we made. I just got back from the dump. I threw a bunch of stuff that I had laying around here from 2 other cleanouts. It wasn't much. I had to pay $105.58. So that means I made $144.42. Not that bad. Now we got to go to the scrapyard because I bought a Honda Fit a while ago, and you see I parted a couple things out. So yeah, gonna take this to the scrapyard real quick, make some money, and then hopefully we have enough time to do that. All right, the car weighed 1,540 pounds. I would have got $97.63, but they deduct 20 bucks because it has gas and stuff in it. So $77.63. I rather just pay the 20 bucks than try to get the gas out, and it's over a half a tank, and then I gotta do something with the gas. I rather just pay the 20 bucks. But the cat person that buys it is not there today, so I have to come back tomorrow with the cats. So let's go home, fill up the trailer. Hopefully we can get back here today, if not tomorrow. So I saved all my money that I got from saving up my copper and brass for about 8 months. It was like 3 grand. I got my truck and trailer wrapped. It was 2,200 bucks, all paid for from scrap, and hopefully I get some more jobs. So tell me what you think. There's my truck. It says scrap metal and junk removal. Has my dumpster Marcus Recycling on the back. Dumpster Marcus Recycling, scrap, junk, and debris removal. Call or text for more info. The other side's the same. And then I got my front windshield wrapped to make it look a little cooler. He actually made me a license plate. It says Dumpster Marcus Recycling, so that's cool. And then I got the dump trailer wrapped. He did the white in the front, and it says Dumpster Marcus Recycling to kind of match the front windshield. Then it says re-remove appliances, grills, mowers, AC units, water heaters, electronic waste removal, TV removal for fee. Has my logo. Scrap, junk, and debris removal. Call or text more info. House cleanouts, pool and shed removal. And on the back it says the same thing. And on the other side it says the same thing. Tell me what you think in the comments below. But just I can't edit videos good. You see I just clip my videos together, so I don't know how to blur my number out. So just be respectful, you know. Don't call or text me. I always comment on your comments below, so just comment below. Tell me what you think. I like it. I love it. I think it looks so good, and everybody looks at me when I drive down the road, so hopefully I get some calls. So let's see if I could get this scrap trailer filled up and get back to the scrapyard. All right, got as much as I could fill it. I still have more, but I gotta go back tomorrow to bring the catalytic converter anyway, so we'll make another trip tomorrow too. All right, I had 2,660 pounds, $142 a gross ton, $168.63. Hit myself in the eye. That ain't that bad. I still have to go back tomorrow because I have to sell that cat, and I'm gonna fill the trailer up again. I don't have much, but something's better than nothing just going down there with the cat. All right, day 2. Catalytic converter. Not much, but it's all light stuff. Ben Wiseman's, the scrapyard I go to, is the only scrapyard in our area that is open on Sundays. So, yeah, I'm in like their other parking lot. I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm the 8th car. Right after I said that, some guy pulled up behind me, looked at the line, and then turned around and left. No patience. It's gonna suck waiting, but like, they're only open from 9:30 to 12:30. But I want to get rid of this crap, and I want to get rid of that cat, so we're waiting. All right, I know I had only like half the car there because I parted out so much, but I got $80 for the cat. I literally got $1 more for the cat than the whole car. That's pretty funny. But 80 bucks for the cat, and the tin, I had 1,140 pounds, still $142 a gross ton. So I got $72.27. So can't complain on that day. But if you stick to the end of the video, thank you so much. Thank you guys for always watching, that always watch. I always see your comments and I always comment back. So thank you so much. God bless and have a scrap of good night.